friends, my name is Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought it would be a good idea to go into my living room and just give it a little refresh since I really haven't done anything since the spring. I've been spending so much time outdoors, which I absolutely love. I've been loving it. And we've done a lot of work out there. We've done gardening, walkway renovations. We've done deck refreshes. If you've missed any of those videos, I'll be sure to leave a link to my summer playlist in the description box below. But because we've been outside so much, I haven't done too much on the inside, really, especially in the living room since the springtime. I've just kind of left it the way it is. Now, I'm not going to go crazy with the decor in there because I hate to say it, but fall and the Christmas time are all coming up, and I tend to go all out for those seasons. So in the summertime, I kind of like to bring it down, tone it down, give the house a little bit of a rest, if you will, and myself as well. It's just a time to just relax and enjoy the simplicity of things. But with all that said and done, if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe if you enjoy seasonal decor, home decor, organizing, outdoor projects, all that kind of good fun. I would love for you to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. So without any further ado, let's look at how my living room currently stands, and then let's get to decorating it for summer. I hope you enjoy. Here's a quick look at how the room currently looks after I've taken out all the spring decor that I had up, vacuumed and dusted the whole room. If you've been around for a while, you're probably noticing that the corner cabinet to the left of the TV is now gone. My husband and I just really felt there was something wrong with it in this room. We weren't loving it, we never have, so we decided to move it out to another part of the house. But that has started a whole other can of worms, and we know the wall where the TV is and that cabinet is way too small. We just aren't ready to make any more changes. We've been spending a lot of money this year on other projects, so for now it'll have to do, and I will have to make do with what we have and try to figure something out. The other thing that we have done is move some of the furniture around here. This is the new chair that replaced my chair that had been in the corner, and we moved my husband's recliner over to the other corner. If you happened to see my last video, which was the shop with me, you saw that I purchased a pack of 2 prints to go on this wall above the chair of my husband's here in the corner, because I felt that wall really needed something. And as you can see, they're not going up there. They looked terrible there. They didn't suit it. I thought the wall was bigger than it was. So instead, I'm going to use them as layering pieces here on the fireplace mantle. And it just goes to show you, best laid plans sometimes have to change and you have to pivot. I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep these, but for now we're going to work with them here on the mantle. So there we go. To address this corner and what to put in here. I have had this planter and this plant stand and this faux tree coming up for a number of years. It has been in my kitchen, it has been in my dining room, it has been in my office. So today I thought, well, maybe I'll bring it in here and see if I like having a plant in here. It probably needs to be higher, and I do need to cover the pot, all that kind of stuff. And if you guys have any suggestions, I would love to know it. I have looked high and low for a pot, something to put in here to elevate it, and I can't find anything. But for now, this will do. This is what I have to work with. And this planter and these stems are ones that I have had for a number of years as well. There we go. All the throws I'm adding in the room are ones we've had for a number of years, and I am actually just reusing the cushions that came with the chair and the sofa. Because they're so pretty, I might as well use them instead of covering them up. Now it's time to work on this console table and just bring it back to life just a little bit. over on this side, I'm adding in this beautiful picture that I got from Amazon last year and just some faux olive branch stems. Anything I can link, I will link below. Most of my home decor is purchased through HomeSense, which I cannot make any links here in Canada, or Amazon or Michael's. Again, in my Shop With Me vlog, I did mention about a beautiful lampshade that I was thinking about purchasing, and it is for this lamp here. I wasn't sure if it would go in the room or if it would be too busy because of all the other patterns in there, but let me know what you think. Seeing them side by side, I think I love it for this lamp. For the coffee table styling, I am so excited to be using those beautiful florals I got from Walmart and from Michael's recently. But when I went back to get another peony stem, they were having a 70% off clearance sale, and I found this beautiful vessel. It was only $15, so I could not pass it up. It is gorgeous. This vessel is exquisite, and I am so excited to use it for these florals. I think this turns out absolutely gorgeous. On top of the books, I'm going to place another little pot that I got from Michael's back in the springtime. I think the colors play off so well against the new pot that I got. Funny story, I found this when I was moving things around. My granddaughter had a sleepover a few weeks ago, and when we went outside for a walk, she found this very special rock for her papa, and she had to bring it home for him, and we had no idea she had hidden it in this little pot that has been on my coffee table for months. So that was really fun to find. Normally I save this area for the entryway to decorating videos, but it is right off my living room, so I thought I would just refresh it too. Here is another vessel that I ran back to Michael's to get. It was only $12. It is absolutely gorgeous, so different to everything else I normally have. Now there's no drainage hole in it. I'm not sure if you can put real flowers in it. I would probably do what I did here and put another vase in the middle, just in case it's not watertight. But I wanted to reuse my magnolia stems here, and to help them stand up a little better, I used the glass vase. And then I'm keeping it very simple on the rest of the table, replacing some of the books, and keeping this picture frame holder again from Michael's. And with the addition of that sage green pillow into the basket, this little table and area are complete. Just a couple little swap outs, and I love the way this looks. I think that new vessel has really made a big impact in this area. I love this. I'm not sure which one I like more, this one or the one on the coffee table. They are both so beautiful. And I already have so many ideas on how to use them during the fall and especially the Christmas season. And now a final look around at how things came together. I love it. It's simple, it's calming, it's serene, exactly what I wanted for this room before we head into all the heavy and busy decor of the fall and Christmas seasons. And with the purchase of the 2 new vessels and the new florals, things like that, these are all items I can be using throughout my home in any room and throughout all the different seasons. So that is exactly what I am trying to build with my home decor now, just things I can keep using throughout the year. It's funny how the camera makes that wall look so expansive and bare now, but when you're standing here in person, it really doesn't look like that at all. When we held up those pictures to hang them, it just looks so cluttered next to the TV. And believe me, we tried one on each side of the TV. It just didn't work. But that's okay. That's okay. We kind of like the calmness and the sereneness in the room. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you were able to get some inspiration to add a few little summer touches or just spruce up some room in your home that you feel has been neglected for a little bit. I so enjoy doing this, and I really love the way it looks and feels for us now. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to join me. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I tend to share more than just home decor over there, and you might get a sneak peek of things coming up. Until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I really hope you have a great week. Bye!